We live in an age where health is no longer a given. It's a pursuit. It's something that we must actively seek, understand, and nurture. But it's a pursuit filled with complexity, as our bodies are intricate machines that require precise care and attention. And one of the most overlooked aspects of our health is thyroid function and the role of redox molecules and iodine. Let's dive into the subject with the inspiring story of one individual who turned her health around and a new understanding that could change your life as well. Amy, a retired RN, registered nurse, faced a daunting thyroid issue where 60% of her thyroid was removed. The journey ahead seemed fraught with difficulty, but Amy's story is one of triumph. Through determination and a focus on understanding her body's needs, she was able to activate her thyroid, gradually getting off her medications, and her thyroid is now functioning properly, a testament to human resilience and the power of knowledge. I'm going to put a video of her testimony up on my website at arukah.com, ARUKAH.com /redox thyroid. Okay, so arukah.com, ARUKAH.com /redox thyroid if you would like to hear from her yourself. Now, thyroid disease in the modern world is a hidden crisis. The Colorado prevalence study puts the rate of hypothyroidism in the general population at a staggering 10%. Yet detection remains more challenging than other metabolic diseases like diabetes. This new connection is slowly turning into a widespread problem that can't be ignored any longer. Understanding the underlying causes of thyroid disease leads us to the redox molecule pathways of iodine metabolism and the manufacturing of thyroxine, the hormone every cell must have to thrive. Iodine, once abundant in our diet, has now become a rare commodity, with our needs skyrocketing from 150 micrograms to 15 milligrams per day over the past 40 years, and that's for healthy people. The modern environment plays a significant role in this iodine deficiency, with chemicals like chlorine, bromine, and fluorine displacing iodine from absorption into our bodies. This deficiency stresses the thyroid gland, leading to enlargement or even failure, and gives rise to diseases like Graves' and Hashimoto's thyroiditis, Hashimoto's disease. Supplementing with adequate amounts of iodine is essential, but that's only half the story. Redox molecules produced by our cells, the mitochondria of our cells, are vital in the production of thyroxine hormone. An imbalance or depletion of redox molecules results in conditions characterized by oxidative stress like Graves' disease. Today, Synthroid, a thyroid replacement medication, stands as the most prescribed drug in the nation, with an astonishing 21.5 million monthly prescriptions. And this doesn't even include the other brands of thyroid replacement prescriptions. Now, this isn't just a statistical anomaly, it's a glaring sign of a growing crisis. Synthroid, while vital for many struggling with thyroid disease, comes with terrible side effects and risks. Over-reliance on this medication can lead to dependency and may mask underlying issues that need to be addressed. Long-term use can contribute to heart problems, osteoporosis, and even severe hormonal imbalances. Here are just a few of the side effects Synthroid causes: chest pain, discomfort, or tightness, decreased urine output, difficult or labored breathing, difficulty with swallowing, dilated neck veins, extreme fatigue, fainting, fast, slow, irregular pounding or racing heartbeat or pulse, fever, heat intolerance, hives or welts, skin itching, rash or redness, irregular breathing, irritability, menstrual changes, nausea, pain or discomfort in the arms, jaw, back, or neck, sweating, swelling of the eyes, face, lips, throat, or tongue, tremors, blurred or double vision, dizziness, eye pain, lack or slowing of normal growth in children, limp or walk favoring one leg, pain in the hip or knee, seizures, and severe headache. Now, the alarming rise in prescriptions highlights the urgent need for awareness education and a proactive approach to thyroid health that goes beyond mere medication. It calls us to question, explore, and seek holistic solutions to a problem that is increasingly impacting lives across the globe. Health is no longer just the absence of disease, it's something we must actively pursue. And when it comes to thyroid health, adequate amounts of iodine and redox molecule supplementing is a smart and evidence based approach to support our well being. I'd like to talk about my personal journey to thyroid health. I also have thyroid health issues caused primarily, I believe, by extreme stress due to personal family issues I was facing last year. Through marriage and life coaching, my personal issues have been stabilized, but the damage done to my thyroid is still in the healing process. I personally take iodine, thyroid glandular, ashwagandha, and other herbs and vitamins, and I also take redox. As a holistic healer, I have seen redox boost the healing progress of so quickly for so many conditions that it's become one of the top supplements I recommend in my health coaching practice. I have personally experienced a boost in my immune system, energy, sleep, and even skin health since I've been taking redox. I'd like to invite you to join our one of our weekly webinars and transform your health. This is not just information, it's a life-changing realization. It's a new way to approach health, vitality, and longevity. And it's something that you can be a part of. You can do all the right things for your health, but if you are deficient in redox molecules, then your body cannot fully utilize those things. The biggest problem with being deficient in redox molecules is that your cells cannot communicate at optimal levels. So join naturopath Dr. Kathy Painter and Polk Dillon on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern for a Zoom webinar on redox molecules. To get the link, just visit my website at arukah.com, arukah.com/redox. Or you can also text message me at 903-884-5444 with the word redox, and I'll get you that link. And you can also email me at maim@arukah.com. That's MAYIM @arukah.com. And you're going to learn the following at this webinar: what redox molecules do in the body, why it's the missing link to optimal health, why everyone is deficient, why they are crucial in healing from life-threatening or chronic health issues, why they are anti-aging, why they are an incredible investment in your long-term health. Don't miss out on what Dr. Zach Bush calls the greatest health breakthrough of our lifetime. Who should attend? Everyone who is interested in how they can turn back on their immune system, turn back the time on their immune system. Everyone who is interested in slowing down the aging process. Everyone who is interested in recovering from any and all health issues. Everyone who is interested in prevention. Now, if you can't make it to the webinar, you can explore more about redox at my website, arukah.com/redox. That's ARUKAH.com/REDOX. and begin your journey toward optimal health. Your health is worth fighting for. Embrace the knowledge, take action, and rediscover what it means to truly thrive. If you are interested in personal health coaching, you can also visit my website, aruka.com, and click on Get Coaching. You can also read reviews from my students, and I also have a holistic healer certification program for anyone who's interested in becoming a certified holistic healer, becoming a holistic healer, and becoming the healer of yourself, your family, your community, and learning how to start your own personal online health coaching business. This is Mayim Vega, your naturopathic herbalist. I'm the founder of aruka.com, the Holistic Life Academy. May the Creator continually grant you and your loved ones complete holistic health and healing of mind, body, and spirit. And may He use you to become an instrument of that health and healing. Shalom.